Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give some instructions here for the fish comparison activity. So at this point you should have watched both of the videos about cartilaginous fish and bony fish to give you the distinctions between cartilaginous fish, ray-finned fish, and lobe-finned fish. Again, ray-finned and lobe-finned are both types of bony fish, but here you'll be able to make your comparisons between these by filling out this chart. So we have each fish classification there on the left. So in the first column, you just want to talk about how do they go through respiration? Do they have gills where they actively swim to move water through their system? Do they have gills where they pump water with an operculum? Again, those gill flaps that help pump water through the system. Or do they use lungs? Do they breathe above the water and have modified structures that basically function as lungs? For the next part, you're talking a little bit about reproduction. So do they produce eggs, live birth, or are they capable of both? So again, think about in these cases, and again, you might want to go with the majority of what you see with a particular type of fish. So again, comparing cartilaginous, ray-finned, and lobe-finned, talk about which of these methods you see most frequently. For this next part here, it says liver or swim bladder for buoyancy. So again, think about buoyancy as being able to travel up or down in the water and being able to keep upright. Do they use a liver to accomplish this or a swim bladder to accomplish this? And then finally, there's a part for example fish here. So what I want you to consider for that particular part is to give an example fish for each of these categories. So like for cartilaginous fish, you can either type out an example, or because we provided a little bit of extra space, you can insert an image into here instead if you want. So again, as far as doing that within a chart, let's say we were going here for cartilaginous fish, insert image. You can do either like if you have one that you want to upload, or if you have a URL for one that you want to add, you could do it that way. You could also search the web for one. So let me drop down this part here. Search for images. So let's just put in cartilaginous fish. So here it gives us a few different examples. So we could select one. So here's a nice whale shark that we could select for our option. Click insert. And there it gives us our whale shark put inside of that part of the grid. So you could either put in a picture if you want to for that particular part, or you can enter it in with text. It's just up to you. Again, originally this assignment allowed people to do illustrations, but we can't really reasonably do that here with the distance learning. So again, if you have any questions about any parts of this particular assignment, please feel free to email me, call me, or you can show up for our science department office hours, which are 9:30 through 10:30 every weekday, Monday through Friday. So if you need any help with those things, please don't hesitate to reach out.